Okay, so I'm right behind our house here. And this creek, which is normally just like barely water across the trees, is up pretty high, but thankfully has not come through this thick area of trees right here. Right past the highway. Yeah, Mom. Okay.
Take a video of it. Watch it go down.
I see it.
Help me! Ah!
All right, let's keep going, bud. Yep, I know. It's the front of our neighborhood. Stop there, guys. No, we're not doing that. Jacob, that's far enough, bud. What do you think, girls?
Mom, I want to get the flower.
You want to get a flower? Here you go, Addie. You want a flower, Allie? Flower? Here you go. Hey, does it smell good?
Pretty hard, like it didn't even happen.
So this is in Bellevue at the soccer field.
Completely flooded.
Completely flooded. Got trees underwater. That building over there is completely underwater.
It's almost got the whole thing.
That building right there is even lower than earlier today when we saw it.
Would you go to jail if you go for this, or?
You'd be in trouble, that's for sure.
The wind blowing the gate.
It's okay, it's okay. And it goes all the way down, even way past there into those neighborhoods. Crazy.